Hi students, today we are going to see about radio resource management. So in today's topic we'll see about what is radio resource link and what do we need, why we need RRM, need for RRM in WCDMA and RRM algorithm and different RRM functions such as handover, power control. These two we discuss in this, and the admission control and code management is already discussed in previous class. So, what is radio resource unit? So, the radio resource unit is a set of public physical transmission parameter which is necessary to support a signal waveform transportation and user information. For example, in a GSM, the radio receiver unit is up to 0.577 microseconds time slot period every 4.615 microseconds on 200 kilohertz carrier in 900 MHz and 1800 MHz or 1900 MHz band. So in CDMA, a radio receiver unit is defined by carrier frequency, code sequence and power level. So let us brief about UMTS or WCDMA. So Universal Mobile Telecommunication System is a 3G cellular telecommunication system which is a successor of GSM. So UMTS is designed to cope up with the growing demand of mobile and internet application with required quality of service parameters. So here WCDMA is used for radio resources interference of UMTS along with the traditional telephone and data service offered by GSM. UMTS will offer more high-speed services to mobile equipment users. So radio resource management. The delivery of multimedia services to mobile user is used of goal of third generation mobile communication system. So in multi-survey scenario, each service may require that a different amount of radio resources used or units are supported. Here the service with high bit rates and require more radio resource unit. The main uses of several different services at the same time rises in demand of guaranteed quality of services for each application. So why do we go for RRM? So that is something that cellular mobile communication are dynamic in nature. This arises because of multiple dimension and propagation condition and traffic generation conditions and interference condition. So the dynamic network evolution calls for dynamic management of radio resources which is carried out by RRM mechanism. So the radio resources and quality of service management functionalities are very important in framework of WCDMA system because of system relies on them to guarantee a certain target of QAS. So because of capacity, quality and efficiency coverage, so we need a radio resource management. So why do we need RRM in WCDMA? In WCDMA, the user transmit at the same frequency at same time by means the different orthogonal spreading sequences. The maximum available capacity in case of WCMA is tightly coupled to amount of interference. So the efficient management of radio resources may not involve in important benefits for relatively low loads, but when a number of user system increases a critical number, a good radio resource management will absolutely necessary. So why do we need? Because of quality of service parameters classified into two different levels. One is your network level and second one is your connection level. One of the most important of RRM tasks is to guarantee that every single connection achieves the target EV. The RRM function need to adjust dynamically with a number of simultaneous users, bitrate and power levels. So the number of users having a call in progress as defined as the active users. Within a WCDMA cell, all users shares the common bandwidth. Each new connection increases the interference level of the other connection. So here the capacity and coverages are closely related to WCDMA networks and therefore both must be considered simultaneously. So the different RRM function of WCDMA is open loop control, closed loop is something that inner loop control and outer loop control. Next is your admission control, code management and handover and congestion control and cell breathing. If you have any clarification related to this topic, feel free to approach me. Thank you.